we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot igashnong no ngi kwayo sngo bahan igashnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinashnong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project bi don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ngut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni hakajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnod ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini project. Nget yang nga opi kabakadu ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yangi ki kon sama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.
Pulit ke West Jaiñtia Hills District de yoki wau kem ne sangut kiwa emkti wau tu Scooty hai wasungut tok bedang hapo khat paras nem Wyrta ini warot das dang jai ha ka arule tari uni ubenai deu pentip uwi tari Scooty utip kam wan pida u lalu uwan umulong wa ka Scooty u kau em yau number ML not san W ndru pra nyau nyau kau penyenyu ha jawai civil hospital yalong da chatu ko hawapat ki pulit ye verindor ke CCTV de yo ya kuwi ke kari wa penem kam kini betu Scooty Wai di penjore tooh yakani kari, hei wa de yok wa kem ga wai de chem wa em san ngut hapo, hei wa sungut tok ki wadang khian Wyrta. Ya gini delai ra ca pramer traffic cell, ya kuli tekit yaki. Hawa tekit yakini, uwi naki wadang khian Wyrta, da plau wa yakani ke Scooty wa chatu, delai ra ki ga ca chunang pedang cakam, West Jaiñtia Hills kamte delai ki pulit cakani ke tau, hei wa de chem biangki yakani ke Scooty. Hagani ke johi ke sengila, Dem le ku ujor wada bu da ubas tan roy mau tho wana nong men song nang kerding wa chatu ku Scooty ku em jau number ML not san AF san not sunon ka yamahari ka rong yong we rong share kirim sko hai wa yegani le de chem nap tang chakap hi wei dara ki pulit cha pramer traffic cell yo le yu em kam kat kam ka an he wa da pun ki le cha ki tri gi ne liang ki pulit de kun tu gi ku chong chunang wa sundang ba gi ya ki kari gi hawro ai por we le de ja yi Wablai pentip ki cha police station wa em hajan do lani de wa phone hau number EBVR